Throw that bag, I'm a bad little bitch, nigga. Got every ex nigga mad and they big bidder. Diamonds on the chain, blinging off my tits, nigga. I hit his phone, he gon' curve her like a pitch, nigga. Working me, pussy good, so we been hooked. If he got seen out with me, it's a big look. Rolling the top, body smoking like a big.
What's going on, y'all? It's your girl Alexis. What's goody? If you are new here, my name is Alexis Wagwan Goody, and if you are not new here, then you know what's guanin'. You really know what's guanin', okay? Period. So guys, as y'all can see from that title, today I'm going to be installing this wig. Hold up. I'm going to be installing this wig, okay? I just finished her up this morning. I added more highlights. You know, brightened up the front. Like, she looks so cute. I love her, and I really cannot wait to put her in. So this morning, she is freshly washed, freshly dyed, honey, and she's ready to get on my head. Period. So before we do that, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, add me on all my social medias, and let's get right into it. Let's get right into it. And one thing I realized over there is, like, you do not have to use a lot. People make it seem like you have to use so much, like, got to be when laying your ball cap, and you don't. Like, that just be mad extraness on your scalp for nothing. Bald-headed hoe shit, bald-headed hoe shit. guys, so I did my makeup real fast. She cute? She cute? Let me know. I know I'll be slaying. I haven't done my makeup and my hair in so freaking long. I'm feeling like I should use a rubber band instead of a scrunchie. I mean, but what y'all think? Alright, like, how does it look? Do y'all think it looks cute? I like it. I mean, I don't think it looks bad. Like, you know, I definitely don't think it looks bad. I think I gotta get used to I haven't had a wig in so long, guys. This hair is really it, guys, like, for real. Like, she's really, really cute. I love this hair so freaking much. I love how it freaking turned out. But yeah, guys, I think this is the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to like, comment, subscribe. Please make sure to add me on all my social medias, guys. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this hair. Let me know what other videos you want me to do. You guys know I have so much fun with this hair stuff, so you know, let me know. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me give you guys a little she's cute. But yes, guys, again, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye. Mwah.